Introducing SmartCube, a revolutionary Bluetooth-enabled locking system. SmartCube is the easiest and most affordable way to make everything you care about safe and secure. No more lost keys. Control all your locks with your smartphone. With built-in proximity detection, SmartCube can detect when you're in range and lock automatically, then relock when you leave. Or you can set an encrypted passcode. You can also share and customize access to others. Share access to as many SmartCubes with anyone you want, or restrict as needed. Monitor all your SmartCubes through the SmartArmor app and track the usage of each electronic key you issue. This means you know exactly who opens your locks and when it happens and where it happens. SmartCube is made from durable materials and will immediately alert you if your stuff is tampered with, so you know everything is safe. It's small and simple to install. Mount it to any flat surface and turn your cabinets, drawers, and containers all into smart safes. Or come up with new ways to use it. Convenient, affordable, safe, and secure. Use SmartCube in your home, your office, or even when you're traveling. This is a revolutionary smart locking system that everyone can use and anyone can afford. But we need your help. We've tested prototype after prototype and are finally ready to get the SmartCube to you. Please back our campaign. You'll be the first to get SmartCube and will receive an exclusive discount, but only if you back it now. Let's be smart about our security. Please join us in making everyone's lives a little safer and a little more secure.
Do you remember the first time you streamed a video on your smartphone? At that moment, you were no longer tied to your living room for your entertainment or to your office for work. You could access your content anywhere. But there's one small problem: your small mobile device screen. Almost all of us prefer large displays for entertainment and for work. When those work deadlines are approaching, a large desktop monitor or a dual screen setup will significantly boost your productivity. So what if there was a way to have the mobility of a phone, tablet, or laptop without losing the benefit of a large screen? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what we did. Introducing SPUD, the spontaneous pop-up display. SPUD is a high-resolution, 24-inch display that collapses down to the size of a book and weighs less than 2 pounds. This revolutionary product is the first truly collapsible display and the only device that gives you both portability and a large screen for entertainment and productivity.
Throughout the SPUD design process, we focus on image quality and ease of use. We use the latest projection technology combined with our own custom optics to project a large, high-quality image over a very short distance. This enables SPUD to produce a bright, sharp image that's about 4 times larger than a laptop screen and 23 times larger than a smartphone screen. To make SPUD as easy to use as possible, we designed to work just like a ruggedized umbrella. You can pop up the screen in a very intuitive way, and you can have the SPUD set up and running in less than 10 seconds. And since SPUD is also lightweight, battery-powered, and uses a hassle-free HDMI connection, you can get straight to the big screen you want without wasting any time on setup.
One of the most exciting things about SPUD is the many different ways that you can use it. On the entertainment side, SPUD is basically a portable TV or movie screen. Whether you're traveling, camping, hanging out with friends at a coffee shop, or just lounging around your house, it's the big screen that you can use anywhere. For work, having a dual screen setup is great for productivity, but you can also use it for presentations and as a collaboration tool. It's great for trade shows, sales visits, or any kind of field work. SPUD gives you the flexibility you need no matter the situation. And it's great because it's a complete solution in a very small package that you can take anywhere.
We have the team, the product, and the vision to execute on SPUD. And now, all we need is your support. By backing us on Kickstarter, you're becoming part of our founding community. As a special thank you, we will be adding all of our Kickstarter backers to an exclusive VIP list that gives you early access to discount codes, product updates, and beta testing opportunities. So Kickstarter, what will you do with your SPUD?
You are hearing the actual signals transmitted by the Earth-circling satellite, one of the great scientific feats of the age.
It's hard to imagine a world where we don't have satellites.
A daring first stride into outer space.
It has literally changed the way in which we live.
Today's high-tech satellites are some of the most complex machines ever invented. They are the crucial link in an ever-increasing number of tasks.
Hi, I'm Andrew Reed, founder of Cosmos Pioneering. Since I was a kid, I wanted to be part of NASA. That didn't happen, but my dreams of space never died. I wanted to contribute to the growing movement to open access to space for everyone, so I worked hard to create something totally new. The Cosmoneer is the world's first desktop satellite simulator. It is the only tool of its kind in existence today that can help people learn about the unforgiving realities of outer space. It's 100% hackable, open source, and can help you design a spacecraft that might one day fly. It features realistic guidance, navigation, and control systems governed by the limited power and communications operating in a low-friction environment. It's designed to constrain the user to limitations experienced in space. I showed the Cosmoneer Proto at national and world maker fairs to see what the interest would be, and the response was overwhelming. Teachers, makers, geeks, NASA employees, everyone wanted a kit. I started this campaign to make a Cosmoneer kit available to anyone who, like me, wants to enter and possibly contribute to the new space age. But to do that, Cosmos Pioneering needs your support. By backing the Cosmoneer, you will enable us to refine the manufacturing process and reduce the cost, especially for teachers and students. But we also need your support to help spread the word. Because the Cosmoneer is truly innovative, its reach could be greater than we can even imagine. The educational possibilities are boundless, and if the Maker Faire enthusiasm is any indication, we could be advancing the evolution of DIY space. Please back the Cosmoneer Proto and tell your family and friends they should too. Let them know they are part of the growing movement to expand mankind's reach to Mars and beyond.
One of the great scientific feats of the age.
Two years ago, we did a Kickstarter with LoomCube, and thank you for those who backed us.
Hey, we're stoked to be back on Kickstarter bringing you the Lifeline. We've engineered the Lifeline to be 1,000 lumens, waterproof to 30 feet, half the size and a third the weight. We want it to be the light that you take with you anywhere.
It's something that you want to keep with you because you never want to miss that moment.
A couple years ago at my foundation event, I was introduced to the product, and from that point on, I was very interested in LoomCube. Now we have the Lifeline, half the size, 70% of the light is still there. It's an amazing piece of electronics. You forget that it's in your pocket because it's so small and so compatible with everything.
As the company grows, it still listens to its customers, and that's what's so amazing, is seeing everybody work together out of absolute love for what we're doing and the solutions that we're creating.
Doing something different, whether it's photography or surfing with the lights at night, this light's opened up a giant opportunity for me. I don't want to miss one surf session after the sun goes down.
We're a software company with hardware devices that solves problems in the mobile imagery world. There's great companies out there that have created great products, but we're just that perfect complement. We realized that in order to have the perfect image, the perfect memory, you need the perfect light. I think Lifelight brings that to you.
It's cool to be partners with a company that allows you to make the product look sick, but to also have fun. I believe that's what LoomCube is all about, is having fun and trying to light up things you normally wouldn't be able to.
Wherever I am or whatever we're doing, I'm finding that we're using the Lifeline for so many more things than we ever intended.
The light's so waterproof, it's so small, it allows us to do things that we weren't able to do before. And yeah, people night surf, but not with lights this bright, not with the technology of cameras these days. We're capturing things that were never really imaginable. This is so different to anything else that's ever been shot in surfing like this. I'm just stoked to be a part of this movement.
It's just cool that you can take Lifeline and put it in the ocean, film Jamie O'Brien, and then, you can take it to some skate spot with me and film an incredible scenery shot. We need to take it to the snowboarding guys. We have to take it everywhere. That's what's great about Lifeline, is that it's bringing all these different athletes together, because now we can do unique things that we weren't able to do before because you couldn't see it.
I'm stoked to be with the LoomCube family. It's allowed me to do some insane things. Check out the Kickstarter, light it up, have fun.
Please support us. Let us show you what we got.
I'm confident with the team around us, we'll continue to bring the most innovative products to market. Donate to Kickstarter. Let us bring some light to your life.
Good morning, Sophie. Time to wake up.
Bonjour. Let me sleep 5 more minutes.
It's not a great day to have a lie-in. You've got a meeting at 9 a.m.
Bonjour is here to make your morning easier. It's going to change the way you wake up every day. No more buttons. It's so much easier to talk.
What about the traffic on the road to my office?
The road is clear, but it's going to get busy in 40 minutes. I advise you use public transportation. Smart Network, then Caltrain.
Okay, I'm getting up. Bonjour. Turn the temperature up.
Meet Bonjour, the smart alarm clock you talk to.
Hey, James. You didn't walk much today. Tomorrow is Saturday. How about going for a run?
Wake me up tomorrow morning at 7:30 if the weather's good. If not, let me sleep.
We dreamed of a product that knows what you want before you do.
Bonjour. Play something relaxing.
It gathers information such as weather, traffic, news.
Do you have anything to tell me?
Hey, James. You should check your security cam.
After a year of hard work, we need your support to produce Bonjour on an industrial scale and to launch it on the market.
We've completed the design, outsourced the manufacturers, and developed the software.
We need your support to make Bonjour a reality.
Thanks for your support.